Good morning, Sarah. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Mark. I slept very well, thank you. I am ready to start the day. How about you? Are you ready?
I am still a little tired. I think I need another cup of coffee before I can do anything productive.
I understand that feeling. A fresh start is important. Oh, I see you haven't made your bed yet.
Oh, that. No, I never make my bed. It doesn't seem very important to me. I just don't see the point.
You don't see the point? What do you mean?
Well, I am just going to get back into it and mess it up again tonight. So why should I spend time making it look neat in the morning? It feels like a waste of time.
I used to think that way too. But then I learned how nice it feels to have a tidy bed.
Really? I just see it as another chore to do in the morning, when I am already busy and in a hurry to get to work.
It doesn't have to be a big chore. It can be a very quick and simple task. Once you learn how to do it properly, it only takes 2 or 3 minutes.
2 or 3 minutes? It always takes me much longer, and it never looks good. My sheets are always wrinkled.
That's because you might not know the easy tricks. Making your bed is the first accomplishment of the day. It gives you a small sense of pride and can encourage you to do more tasks.
A sense of pride from making my bed? That sounds a bit silly.
It might sound silly, but it's true. It's a small win that sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. A clean room helps you have a clear mind. When your space is organized, you feel more organized too.
I do feel better when my apartment is clean. I have never thought about my bed in that way before. My room always looks messy because the bed is messy.
Exactly. The bed is usually the largest piece of furniture in a bedroom. So when the bed is made, the entire room looks cleaner and more inviting.
That is a very good point. A messy bed does make the whole room look disorganized.
And it feels wonderful to get into a nicely made bed at the end of the day. It's like a little gift you give to your future self.
Okay, you have convinced me. I want to try. Can you teach me your secrets? Can you show me how to make the bed properly so it looks neat and tidy?
Of course, I would be happy to. Let's do it together right now. It will be fun.
Okay, I am ready to learn. Where do we begin? What is the very first step?
The first step is to completely clear the bed. We need a blank canvas to work with.
Clear the bed? You mean take everything off? Even the pillows and the duvet?
Yes, everything. Let's start with your sleeping pillows. Pick them up and put them on that chair over there for now.
Okay, one pillow, two pillows. They are on the chair. Now what?
Now, take your duvet. The duvet is the big, thick blanket that keeps you warm. Take it all the way off the bed. You can fold it and place it on the chair as well.
This feels strange. I usually just try to pull the duvet up over the messy sheets.
That's what many people do, but it just traps all the wrinkles underneath. Taking everything off lets the mattress breathe for a moment, and it allows us to start fresh.
Okay, the duvet is off. What about this thin blanket here?
Yes, take that off too. Any extra blankets should be removed. We want to see only the bottom sheet.
All right, the bed is completely empty now. It looks very bare. This is already very different from what I normally do.
Perfect. This is the most important step for a truly neat bed. Now we are ready to build the layers correctly.
Okay, Mark, look at the sheet that is on the mattress. This is called the fitted sheet
Why is it called a fitted sheet?
because it has elastic bands in the corners. See? This elastic helps the sheet fit snugly and tightly around the mattress so it doesn't come off while you sleep.
Ah, I see. Mine is very loose and wrinkled. Is that wrong?
It just needs to be straightened. Let's fix it. We need to make sure it is smooth. Go to the corner at the top of the bed on your side. I will take this one.
Okay, I am at the top left corner.
Good. Now pull the corner of the sheet down and hook it firmly under the corner of the mattress. Make sure the elastic is completely underneath the mattress.
Like this? Wow, it's already much tighter.
Exactly. Now let's do the bottom corner on this same side. Pull it tight and tuck it under the mattress. You want to pull out any wrinkles as you go.
I am pulling it now. Okay, that corner is done. My side of the bed looks much smoother.
Great. I have done the corners on my side as well. Now let's smooth the surface with our hands. Just brush your hands from the middle of the bed out to the edges. We want to remove all the little wrinkles and make it perfectly flat.
This already looks 100 times better than before. The sheet is so smooth now. That was easier than I thought.
See? It's not so difficult. Now that the fitted sheet is perfect, we can add the next layer. This is the top sheet, which is also called a flat sheet.
Okay, this one doesn't have any elastic corners. It's just a big, flat piece of fabric.
That's right. Let's open it up and spread it over the bed. I will take this side and you take that side.
Where should the top edge of the sheet be? All the way at the top of the mattress?
Yes, the top edge should be aligned with the top edge of the mattress, right where your pillows will go. Make sure it is centered with the same amount of sheet hanging off both sides of the bed.
Okay, I think it's even on both sides now. What is the next step?
Here is a special trick. We are going to place this sheet upside down.
Upside down? Why would we do that? The pretty pattern is on the other side.
I will show you why. When you put the sheet on with the pattern facing down, the soft, finished side is against your skin. And later, when we fold the top part back over the duvet, the nice pattern will be showing. It creates a very professional and clean look.
That is a clever trick. I never would have thought of that. So the pattern is facing the fitted sheet right now.
Exactly. Now, let's smooth it out just like we did with the fitted sheet. Use your hands to press out any wrinkles or air bubbles. Make it as flat and smooth as you can.
The top sheet is on, and it's very smooth. It's upside down, as you said. I am excited to see how this turns out. What comes next?
Now we add the layer that keeps you warm. This could be a blanket, a comforter, or, in your case, a duvet. Let's get the duvet from the chair.
Okay, I have it. This is the biggest and heaviest part.
Yes, so we need to work together. Let's spread it out over the top sheet. We will do the same thing we did with the sheet. We want it to be even and centered.
So the same amount of the duvet should hang over the left side and the right side of the bed?
That's right. And about the top, where should the top edge of the duvet be?
Hmm. Should it go all the way to the top of the mattress, like the top sheet?
Not quite. We want to leave some space at the top. You should place the top edge of the duvet about 6 to 8 inches or about 15 centimeters down from the top edge of the sheet.
Oh, okay. So there is a space of sheet showing at the top. Why do we do that?
This is for the special fold I told you about. Now, let's smooth out the duvet. It's thick, so we might need to shake it a little to distribute the filling evenly. Just make it look flat and comfortable.
This is starting to look like a real bed. It's amazing how these simple layers make such a big difference.
It looks great, doesn't it? Now for the part that makes everything look incredibly neat. We are going to tuck the sheets in at the foot of the bed.
Okay, so we go to the end of the bed. What do I do?
First, take both the top sheet and the duvet together and tuck them tightly under the mattress at the foot of the bed. Push them in all the way across.
I'm tucking them in now. It feels very secure.
Perfect! Now let's make the famous hospital corners. It sounds complicated, but it is very easy. Come to the corner on your side.
I'm here. I see a piece of the sheet and duvet hanging down.
Exactly. With your hand that is closer to the bed, lift up that hanging part to create a triangle shape. The bottom edge of the triangle should be flat against the side of the mattress.
Okay, I am holding a triangle of fabric. What now?
Now, with your other hand, tuck the hanging part that is below the triangle under the mattress. Just tuck that bottom part in smoothly.
Done. It's tucked in. Now I have this triangle piece still in my hand.
Now you just fold that triangle down so it hangs straight, and then tuck it neatly under the mattress. It should create a perfect, sharp fold.
Wow, look at that. It's a perfect corner. It looks so tidy and professional. Let me try the other corner by myself.
Go ahead. Remember the steps. Lift to make a triangle, tuck the bottom part, then fold the triangle down and tuck it in.
I did it! Both corners are done. They look fantastic. I can't believe I made those sharp corners myself.
You did a great job. It makes a huge difference, doesn't it? The bed looks so clean and put together.
It really does. So, what is left? It feels like we are almost finished.
We are very close to the end. Now it's time to bring back the pillows. Go get them from the chair.
Here they are, my 2 sleeping pillows. Do I just throw them on the bed?
Let's make them look nice first. We should fluff them. Hold the pillow at one end and give it a few good shakes. Then you can pat the sides to make it full and even. It helps the pillow look plump and comfortable.
Okay, I am fluffing the first pillow. It looks much better already. And now the second one.
Great! Now stand them up nicely against the headboard, the back part of the bed. Don't just lay them flat. Standing them up looks more elegant.
So 1 pillow here, and the second one right next to it. They look very inviting.
Yes, they do. And now for that special fold I mentioned earlier. Remember how we left extra space with the top sheet?
Yes, the sheet is sticking out above the duvet.
Now, you just fold that top part of the sheet down over the top of the duvet. The pretty, patterned side is now showing, just as I promised. It creates a beautiful, clean band of color.
Ah, I see it now. That is so clever. Folding the sheet back shows the pattern and makes it look very stylish. The bed looks almost complete.
Almost. The final step is adding any decorative touches. Some people have many small pillows, called accent pillows or cushions. You just have this one small blue cushion.
I bought it because I like the color, but I never knew where to put it.
Well, it goes on last, right in the very front. You can place it in the center, leaning against your two sleeping pillows. It adds a nice pop of color and personality.
There. It's perfect. It brings everything together. Now, can we step back and look at it?
Yes, let's admire your work. What do you think?
Wow. I am honestly shocked. Is that really my bed? It looks like it belongs in a five-star hotel. It's so neat, tidy, and inviting. I can't believe it.
You did it! Let's quickly review the steps. First, we cleared everything off the bed. Then, we smoothed the fitted sheet. After that, we placed the top sheet upside down, added the duvet, and tucked them in with perfect hospital corners. Finally, we fluffed the pillows and folded the sheet back.
It sounds like a lot of steps when you say it like that, but doing it was actually quite fast and simple.
It gets even faster with practice. Soon you will be able to do this in just a few minutes every morning without even thinking about it.
I feel really good right now. It's just a bed, but I feel accomplished. You were right about that.
I'm so glad. It's a wonderful way to begin your day with a feeling of order and success. It sets a positive mood.
I can see that now. My whole room looks better. It looks cleaner, bigger, and more peaceful. I think I will be able to relax more in this space now.
That's another great benefit. A tidy environment can help reduce stress and anxiety. It gives you a calm space to return to at the end of a long day.
I am actually looking forward to getting into bed tonight. It will be so nice to pull back the clean covers of a perfectly made bed.
And tomorrow morning, you can do it all again. It will be your new morning ritual.
Yes, I'm going to make this a new habit, I promise. It really didn't take much time, and the result is fantastic. Thank you so much for teaching me, Sarah. I learned so much more than just how to make a bed.
You are very welcome, Mark. I'm happy I could help. A well-made bed is a sign of a well-cared-for home and a great start to a productive and happy day.
I agree. Okay, now I think I am ready for that second cup of coffee. I feel energized and ready to tackle my day.